Hello, I'm showing you Bell & Howell's car cane. It's a portable handle. It helps you get in and out of your car. This is what came in the box. This is the handle. And also a little instruction sheet that tells you how to use it. It also has other features other than getting in and out of the car, and that is right here. It's a seat belt cutter. Also, it has this point. This is really hard metal. This point is to break a window if you had to when you were in your car. And then it has an LED flashlight. Press this power button and the light comes on. And that helps you if you're putting the handle in at night. You need a little light to help you. I'm going to show you how to use the car cane. This is the latch for your door, and it is very sturdy. The cane fits right in that latch and it seats itself automatically. Then you're going to turn your hand backwards so that you can put your weight on it. And you're going to back in, sit down on the seat, and when you do that, you're putting all your weight on this handle. So it really helps out. I wish I had known about this when I had surgery a couple of years ago on my leg. It took me a long time to be able to get in and out of the car naturally. It was very hard. So this would have been very helpful. And to get out, I'm just putting my weight on it again and stepping out. So what I would do is, if it were night, I would press the power button so that I could see where the latch was. Put it in. And then when I'm done with it, I would store it right in the glove box in the car. So it would always be in the car and be handy. This is really a very useful tool, and it would be good for anybody who's had surgery, or if you just have knee joints or whatever. If you have trouble getting in and out of the car, it really helps. So I hope you'll want to try one and see for yourself.